mean? The plus line means to combine, join, or add two or more numbers or quantities together. The result is called the sum. Addition is used to find the total amount. Example, 8 plus 5 equals 30. Short meaning. The plus sign is an join. The plus sign is a join numbers. Examples, 7 plus 2 equals 9. Hope you top enjoy this meaning. It's only for kinder. So bye. Minus or subtraction mean. The minus sign means to put away, remove, decrease, or find the difference between two numbers. The result is called the difference. Example, 10 minus 4 equals 6. Short meaning is a sign that's be removed. Example, 5 minus 4 equals 1. Hope you this lesson. At times, it is the multiplication sign means to add the same number repeatedly or to find the product of equal groups. The result is called the product. Example, 6 times 4 is 24. Means to 6 plus 6 plus 6 equals 24. Short meaning of multiplication meaning. The short meaning is to multiply numbers. Examples, 9 times 7 equals 62. We add them like this. 9 plus 9 plus 9 plus 9 plus 9 plus 9 plus 9. It's 7 total 9s. So we're going to plus them and the answer is 62. So that's for today, guys. Bye. Division. The division sign means to split, share, or separate a quantity into equal parts or equal groups. The result is called the quotient. Example, 20 divided by 5 equals 4, meaning 20 is shared equally among 5 groups. The short meaning is to separate a quantity into equal parts or equal groups. Examples, 40 divided by 5 equals 8. The, the 40 is shared among 8 groups. So that's what I guess. Bye. Meaning. Equal sign means that the value on the left side is exactly the same as the value on the right side. It shows that the two expressions have equal value. Examples, 7 plus 3 equals 10. For the short meaning, the equal side means the value on the left side is exactly the same as the value on the right side. Example, 5 million plus 4 million equals 9 million. The equal sign is generated. So that's for today, guys. Bye. Minus meaning. It's not an kindergarten meaning anymore. The plus or minus symbol means that the either is positive value of or the negative value can be used. It is commonly used when there are two possible answers. Example, x equals plus or minus 5 means x equals 5 or x equals minus 5. It is now in basic calculus, I think. Basic geometrical thing. So that's for today, guys. Bye. Minus plus meaning. The minus plus symbol is used together with minus plus. It means remainder. The modulo operation finds the remainder left after one whole number is divided by another. Example, 17 modulo remainder 5 equals 2 because 17 equals 5 times 3 plus 2. That's for today. Or power. An exponent tells how many times a number called by base, the base, is multiplied by itself. Example, 3 by 4. 3 to the power of the 4. That is the word. But equals 3 times 3 times 3 times 3 equals 81. So that is for today. The square root of the number is value that when multiplied by itself gives the original number. Example, 14 square root of 49 equals 7 because 7 times 7 equals 49. Short meaning is the square root of a number is a value that multiplied by itself. Example, let me square root of 64 because 8 times 8 equals 64. Did I miss something? Square root of 64 equals 8 because 8 times 8 equals 49. Oh, 8 times 8 equals 64. That's for today. So, we're going to square root now with a number. The cube root of a number is a value that when multiplied by itself 3 times equals the original number. Example, cube root 125 because 5 times 5 equals 125. As for today's by meaning. A factorial means multiplying a positive whole number by every positive whole number less than it down to 1. Example, 5 factorial. 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1 equals 120. As for today, to comparison symbols. Less than. The meaning of the less than is the number on the left is smaller than the number on the right. Example, 4 less than 9. A good fact. When, think of it like this. The less than or great than is in crocodile. The crocodile wants to eat many numbers. So 4, he was going to not eat it because it's much smaller than 9. So 9, so the crocodile will eat the 9 number. So that's for today. The number on the left is larger than the number on the right. Example, 9 greater than 4. That's for today. Equal to. The left value is either smaller than or exactly equal to the right value. That's for today. Equal to. The left value is either greater than or exactly equal to the right value. That's for today. The two values do not have the same value. That's for today. Equal to. The meaning of approximately equal to means the values are very close but not exactly the same. Often because one has been rounded. Example, 5 equals to 3.1 and so on. 5 is approximately equal to 3.141 and so on. Is it because it's an infinite? That's for today. Infinity represents a quantity without any end or limit. It is not a real number, but a mathematical concept used to describe something that grows without bound or continues forever. That's for today.